Hi friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss B1 expression module. Expression is obviously speaking. So in Goethe B1 exam, there will be speaking test. So they will give you some theme, and on that particular theme, you will have to speak for some time. So there is a separate video on my channel called B1 exam pattern. You can go through it. I have explained it in detail how the exam looks like and how is the exam pattern of B1. So there will be a particular theme, and on that particular theme, you will have to talk. So I am making one series on this module, special module. So in each video, I will take each and every theme, and then we'll discuss it and how to speak it. That also we are going to see here. So we'll start. I'll share one screen with you. So you will get to know how this B1 speaking test looks like. So in today's video, we are taking one theme called family cooking together. Okay. So we'll see here how it looks like. This is one picture of one family. There are two parents and children, and they are cooking together. So we'll see how to speak for few minutes on this particular topic. So ich sehe auf dem Bild eine Familie in der Küche, meaning I see a family in the kitchen in the picture. Es gibt zwei Erwachsene und zwei Kinder. There are two adults and two children. Again, we'll take reference of this picture. Sie kochen zusammen. Vielleicht bereiten sie das Mittagessen vor. They cook together. Perhaps they prepare lunch in advance. Vielleicht is perhaps. Alle lächeln und sehen glücklich aus. Everyone is smiling and looks happy. Die Stimmung ist sehr freundlich. Ich finde das Bild schön, weil Familie für mich sehr wichtig ist. Okay? So I have marked it in red color, which are the important words you can say. So we'll see the last one translation in next slide. The atmosphere is very friendly. Okay, Stimmung is atmosphere. So the atmosphere is very friendly. I like the picture because family is very important to me. Wichtig is important. Fragen an deinen Partner stellen. Ask your partner questions. Okay, so you can ask questions on this particular topic to your partner, or vice versa. Your partner can ask you questions on this particular topic. Was magst du gern mit deiner Familie? What do you like to do with your family? Next question is, kochen deine Eltern oft zu Hause? Do your parents often cook at home? And the third one will be, was ist dein Lieblingsgericht? Meaning, what is your favorite dish? Okay, so all these questions are related to cooking. So just keep it in mind that you have to ask the questions only on that particular theme. So this is clear. So I hope this is clear with you. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.